Hi guys and welcome back to Mohammed Makes. Today we're gonna ride the Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway. The Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway is a 15-inch narrow gauge railway in Kent, running between Dungeness and Hythe, stopping at stations such as Dymchurch, New Romney, Romney Sands and Dungeness. The fleet consists of 13 narrow gauge steam and diesel trains. Welcome to Hythe. Hi Samson. Here's our train. Next stop, Romney Sands. A warm welcome to Romney Sands. Next stop, Dungeness. Train. The new one. Down there. The train that we were just on. The Romney Marsh and It's time for some history. Starting in the 1920s in Kent, England, this railway was originally used for moving goods, but soon became a fun way to explore the beautiful Romney Marsh countryside. During the war, they even created the only miniature armoured train in the world. The Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway have a mix of old trains, most powered by steam, but a few are powered by diesel. The steam trains were made by Davey Paxman Co, and the diesel ones by English Electric. The steam trains have names like Black Prince, Dr. Sin, Winston Churchill, Hurricane, Samson, The Bug, and more. The diesel locomotives, JB Snell and Captain Howey, are named after important people in the railway's history. They were built in different places across the UK, like Stafford, Rugby, and Preston.